In this video, I am taking my friend snowshoeing for the first time. This is super steep. Oh my gosh. Andy, no! Oh yeah, and that friend just happens to be Andy Films and Hikes, the Instagram hiking sensation. Are you excited, Andy?
Scared. I'm Andy Films and Hikes, not Andy Films and Snowshoes.
I try to help ease people into stuff, but I feel like I did not. I fail like I fail. You're doing great, Andy.
Can you trail run in snowshoes? How's it going? Whoa.
I'm not.
Oh my freaking gosh.
What do you think, Andy?
This is awesome.
Woohoo!
This just makes me want to get out more in the winter.
Woo! Wait, are you actually scared?
It might be embarrassing.
Okay.
Good content though.
This is my show, gosh darn. So Andy, you have been hiking for a while.
Yeah, about 4 years.
You went viral on Instagram and TikTok multiple times, right?
Yeah, a lot. People like the fat guy hiking.
So we are currently at the Skyline Lake Trailhead at Stevens Pass in Washington. This is a hike that I have never done before. I was told that the beginning was steep, but I didn't quite realize that it was this steep.
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna roll. It'll be like an orange rolling down a hill. Search and rescue will come and be like, oh, there he is.
So these are Andy's brand new snowshoes. They are the MSR Evos. The way that this is gonna work is these go obviously on the ground. Your left foot is gonna go in there. Your toes are gonna go in here. You're gonna slide them as far forward as you can. Awesome. Snowshoes are longer the more weight they are carrying. So these snowshoes have an ability to attach a tail on the end of them. It's gonna do such a better job of like keeping you lofted on the snow.
Yeah.
So, Your Highness. Okay, does that feel good?
That feels good. Look what I can do. Look what I can do.
Okay, I'm gonna get my snowshoes on. Boom. We are good. Ready to snowshoe. The most important thing to remember about snowshoeing, your feet are significantly wider and longer than usual. Keeping your feet kind of far apart is gonna be the best thing to do. And take small steps.
Okay.
With that, shall we journey up this hill?
Okay.
Small steps.
Don't die.
Don't die.
Let's go.
Wow, this is so steep. All right.
Ooh.
Don't step in the poop. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh, that is steep.
This is hard. Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh no. Oh no. Andy, no. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
If you can rotate towards me. Sorry, watch your hand. Sick. Amazing. So the easiest way to stand up with snowshoes on, see if you can get yourself on your hands and knees like this. Okay. And then I'll get you your poles. Once you have your poles, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put one foot up like you're taking a knee, again, as high up as you can go. And then we're just pushing until we can get the other foot balanced, like that. Cool? You got this. Nice, dude, nice. I got you.
Cool, easy enough.
Yeah, nice job. Now that we've taken a natural pause, really quick, how do your snowshoes feel? Do they feel like they're tight enough?
They feel like they're tight enough, they're good, they're secure. Okay. Still getting used to the whole, the way to walk.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it. So this whole section that we've just come up is super, super steep. This is not the type of snowshoeing I normally do, but if you often are snowshoeing on like really steep inclines, you probably want a pair of snowshoes that have a heel bar, which is this little thing like my snowshoes have down here. And what I can do is take my pole and flip it down, and then it actually creates like a little spot for my foot to rest. So if I'm going uphill, my foot doesn't have to come all the way back. Helps your calves a little bit and doesn't make it as tiring. The snowshoes that you have, the Evos, are probably some of the most popular and the best. They don't have a heel bar, but I don't think that it's necessary for the vast majority of hikes. Yeah. Frankly, I didn't realize this was gonna be like this, and I do feel kind of bad for bringing you here on your first snowshoe.
Yeah, well this makes, when I go back to Ashland,
yeah.
that way easier. Like that'll be nice. If I can do this, I can do that easily.
Totally. Plus you're a professional hiker.
We're professional hikers.
This,
like, we do this for a living.
All right, here we go. A little bit more up, and then we're gonna cross our fingers for some flat. Oh, this looks better. We got our uphill out of the way.
Good.
Now we're gonna go flat.
Oh, this is way better. I like this.
Yeah, this is much nicer.
I can do this all day.
Quick pause. Did you know that hydrating in the winter is just as important as hydrating in the summer? And when you're exercising, replenishing your electrolytes is a key part of rehydration. That is where LMNT electrolytes come in. If you've been to my channel before, you know how much I love LMNT, but if you're new here, LMNT is an electrolyte powder that is designed to help replenish your electrolytes using everything that you need, like magnesium, sodium, and potassium, but without any sugar. It's also delicious. LMNT helps prevent things like fatigue or muscle cramping or headaches and other things that come from an electrolyte imbalance. For me, it is crucial for fueling all of my adventures, whether that's snowshoeing, backpacking, or just hanging out in my city park. If you haven't yet tried LMNT, you can go to the link below, which is drinklmnt.com/Miranda Goes Outside. Place an order there and you'll get a sample pack of all of LMNT's delicious flavors. Okay, back to the video. Oh no, oh
no. I thought you said we got the uphill over with. Oh, dang.
I know. Quick disclaimer. If I had known that this hike was this steep, I would not have picked it as a first-time snowshoe. Just full disclosure. This is super steep. Like Andy and I were saying, even for a hike, this is really steep. So.
Well, it's one of those things like, you know, you get to a point you feel like you can't do it. You can't do it, turn around. There's no harm in that.
This is our truce. This is our agreement with each other. At any point, if either of us doesn't want to keep going, we say so.
Okay.
Okay?
Then I'll roll down the hill.
You're great. Love it. I'll follow you. All right.
I'm going to hug the ridge here because I don't want to go down that way.
Yeah, good call. Ah! Whoa, I just post-holed in my snowshoes. All right, we got this.
Whoa, yep, right there.
Did you also?
Yep, whoop.
Yeah, the snow is like pretty soft.
My quads.
I know.
My quads. This just keeps going.
What have I done? You know, I try to help ease people into stuff, and I feel like I did not. I feel like I failed.
I feel like you were a lot nicer to Pam.
You were so much nicer to Pam.
You're so much nicer to Pam. Whoa, jeez. Okay.
Dang.
Whoop. Whoop.
Does that just keep going up?
Whoa.
Ooh,
Whoa.
oh.
Okay. Don't fall. Don't
Forward,
fall.
forward.
Yeah, that just keeps going.
Well, Miranda's done.
Yeah.
I'm done.
That's very steep.
Picking this trail was a huge failure on my part. Luckily, Andy is experienced and very understanding, but I am definitely regretting this choice hard. So I'm gonna try and make it up to him by taking him to a better spot. Steeply, steeply, steepy, steep time.
Can you trail run in snowshoes?
I mean, I guess you could.
How's it going? Whoa. Oh, I'll never do that again. That was stupid.
Now, if you are a trail runner and you want to run in your snowshoes, there are trail running specific snowshoes that are like foam.
Okay.
So if that appeals to you.
Not really.
Me neither.
For the record, like half of what I know is because of Miranda and her videos, so don't tell her I said that. Right, Miranda?
What?
Exactly.
Oh, there's dog poop. More poop. There's so much poop everywhere. This is some gross poop. Avoid the poop at all costs.
Overall, I think this was a great experience for my first time just because now that I've done that and I know that I can do that, if I can do this, I know my body can do the other things and maybe I can work my way up to something like this.
Are you mad at me, Andy?
I am not mad, no. No, and I'm glad what was really cool is Miranda understood, like, I just didn't feel comfortable going any further because the snow was melting and I'm being bigger, I sink in more easily. So yeah, this is great. I love it. I'm excited to go to the next spot. I'm not scared. I'm not scared to do this anymore. Let's do this.
All right, take two.
Let's go. Oh my freaking gosh.
Welcome to beautiful Lake Wenatchee. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Do you see this? Do you see this? It's
in nature, and it's freaking awesome. Oh, that's great.
That is so good, dude.
I'm saving that. Thank you.
Thanks for letting me be a part of that.
That audio has been used 23,000 times. And it's just cool because people actually like, it gets them excited about the outdoors.
So we have come out here to Lake Wenatchee. This is a much nicer, flatter snowshoe trail, and it is absolutely beautiful. The only reason that I didn't bring Andy out here originally was that I didn't think there's gonna be enough snow, but as you can see,
Plenty of snow.
yeah, there's tons. Root ball! You know what a root ball is, yeah?
No.
So this like big thing when you see a tree that's fallen down and it brings up all of those roots with it, that's a root ball.
Oh. The more you know.
The more you know.
Gather round, kids, for nature education time with Miranda.
With Miranda and Andy. With Mirandy. Oh my
It's a party!
gosh! This is why you go snowshoeing. I'm so glad we came here.
Me too.
So glad. I've been to Lake Wenatchee before, but I've never been on this trail. And it is so incredibly beautiful.
So this makes me want to go, I'm an hour from Crater Lake National Park and you can snowshoe around it. It makes me want to go there and do that.
That's awesome. It's like, that's all I could really have hoped for with this experience is that we would go and then you'd be like, oh, this is cool. I want to go again, like where I live. Should have come here first, but hey, lesson learned. Woohoo! Look at this winter wonderland. This is the most beautiful place. Andy, I'm so glad you're here with me.
I'm glad to be here.
Thanks for coming. This is amazing.
This is
right?
snowshoeing.
Yeah, this is snowshoeing.
snowshoeing.
You know, it's like the more I hike and the more I get out and the more I just get to appreciate places like this, I feel like the more impressed I am by sometimes the simplest stuff. That sounds so corny. So whoever's editing this video, Abby, don't put like weird sentimental music behind that, okay?
Do it. Do it. Do it. Something like really cinematic, like she's building to a crescendo, she's having an emotional breakthrough.
You know, it's like the more I hike and the more I get out and the more I just get to appreciate places like this, I feel like the more impressed I am by sometimes the simplest stuff.
Yeah.
Fine. Ooh, an obstacle. Wow.
What?
We just turned a corner coming up around on this trail and we have this incredible view.
This is gorgeous.
This is amazing. What do you think, Andy?
This is awesome.
Woohoo! We did it.
We did.
We did. We suffered and then we had fun.
Type 2 fun.
It's actually fun.
This just makes me want to get out more in the winter. Because I know for a lot of people, it's getting out in the snow, you know, that's the time they don't go in the outdoors. It's totally doable. And I was really afraid as a plus size person, like, am I gonna just sink right in, you know? And, you know, and I didn't. I can't wait to get home and do it some more.
Well, you did awesome for your first time snowshoeing.
You did awesome showing me how to do this.
Thanks.
Like, you're a great teacher.
I really appreciated that we together were like, okay, if at any point either of us decide that we want to stop and turn around, like let's make sure we talk to each other. I think setting those kind of communication guidelines and those sort of like expectations of each other can be super helpful.
Being out here, being with other people, getting away from it all, you know, it's for your mental health, it's for your physical health, it's for everything. And you're just sitting there full of anxiety because I can't keep up. What's the point of even being out here?
Okay, sweet. With that, shall we continue back? Do you want to lead the way this time?
I can try.
Andy, there is something we have to do before we get back to the car.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I know what this is.
Oh yeah. Okay, Andy's most viral video is him doing what he calls a stupid hike for his stupid mental health.
Yep.
Listen, it's a great video and it is a fantastic reminder to me and to so many people to go outside if you're not feeling your best. So I feel like we have to do one.
All right, ready?
Stop the tree.
Give it a hug. Give the tree a hug.
I'm sorry I
Apologize to the tree.
stabbed you. So we are back at the Lake Wenatchee trailhead, which means that we are done with our snowshoe hike. With that, we are going to head back to the car, get these snowshoes off, and finish up this video. It was so cool to get to collaborate with Andy on this. And if you want to see Andy and I do more videos together, please let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more Andy, follow him on all social media platforms. He makes incredible content.
Thank you.
If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button, you subscribe to my channel and Andy's channel, and I will see you outside. Bye.
Later.
Oh my wow. You didn't mess around. I was like, yay. Rolling, rolling, rolling. What is that from?
I have no idea.
It is the theme song to the Clint Eastwood series, Rawhide. Keep them doggies rolling,
No.
Rawhide.
I think it's from Five Goes West. I'm serious.